Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Resident Evil Village crash on startup issue. So let's start. For the first step, go to the Windows search. After that, type in NVIDIA app. Make sure to run it as an administrator. And now once you sign up with your right credentials, go to the left tab and select drivers. After that, make sure to install the newest GeForce Game Ready driver. Select install. After that, choose between Express or custom installation and click continue to start the process of the installation. Next, open the Steam launcher. This dashboard will open, so go to the Steam logo in the top left corner and go to settings. Now, in the left menu, go to downloads. After that, select clear cache and then select confirm. Now, go to library. After that, go to collections. Make sure to search for the game. Once you select it, go to this gear icon on the right and select properties. This tab will pop up. Go to installed files. After that, select verify integrity of game files. Just wait for the process to finish. It will be recovering and verifying any corrupted or missing file will be safely restored. And that's it. If you found this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.